And then I'm gonna bring your chin up just a little bit.
Oh wow. I could feel it running down, but where it really picked up was right around the sternum and followed its way down to the hip, and even the left knee. That was trippy. Ooh. This feels like it's going from the base of the skull, following the chain. And it feels like there's just so much blood flow now to this area.
Down. Good.
Oh wow. Wow. So I felt the hip pop, and I also felt it travel across my back. It felt like something that needed to fit back into a socket the right way.
Went from bummy to your girl.